Ana Marie Tucong as my cameraman and featuring the house of Ate Nizel as our study area.
Study area. Can you teach us? Can you show us the process of
Well,
cooking the kamote chips? Okay.
first we're going to take some potato chips.
Yes.
Sliced potato. Then put it in a frying pan. Then spread it out.
Spread it out.
Just like that. As you can hear, there's a lot of sounds in the background, and it was made by my friends. They
Yeah.
like singing a lot, and it's like we are attending a concert here.
Yung blurred dog si Jo. Hala. Looks who got caught. What happy daddy?
Take some.
What chef?
Can get some. As long as they're not there,
There, yes.
get one. Madunggan.
Bunga.
Ambot. Silakstra.
Wow. Siya ka na pa business.
Bumili kayo ng cheese ngayon din, mga katulong. Ano magkabaw?
Atro bro.
Liko na?
Atro.
Liko? Auna ko? Auna ko sa camera?
Wow. Nice.
Hello, where's my... Oh, di ako ba? Where's my phone?
Darius. Maanang si chef, wala na karon sa mga dagkong hotels. Itungod, malintaw nun si chef.
Pinili kong servisyohan ang aking lokal na komunidad
Bakit?
para
Bakit?
sa ating mga kinabukasan at sa buhay ng mundong ito. Sapagkat tayo kailangan na maging mabuti para tayo ay sumalangit. But that's a false thing to say because we are still living in here and we really can't dictate what happened in the next month, the next few years. Where are we going?
Bro, wala kang representative sa Greenstone. Kaya mo kabantay ko, oh my, journalist ni Kika Greenstone.
This is from my brother
Yeah.
and he gave me some, so I've got two polo shirt and I liked it
Wow.
because it is somehow complement my skin and I really like it. That's all.
Wow.
That's all. Pero di na siya masigaw, wait.
Hello, bro.
Meron kasi may dinosaur 1, dinosaur 2, dinosaur 3. And I call them mother and father
Yes.
because they are my
Father,
parents.
kinakain ng mga campaign?
Hindi. Father yung F-O-O-D-E-R. Yun? Ulo? Ay, sayang naman yun.
Wala, chef, ano na yan, chef? Na-blurred na.
So foggy. Today's video, namin dari pa ulit. Yeah, from, this is Barangay San Jose. Yeah.
Na 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 Kiyomi. Na 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 Kiyomi. Na 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 Kiyomi. 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 Na 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 Kiyomi. Na 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 Kiyomi. Na 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 na.
That's so wild, that's so wild, that's so wild. At ngayon, nalagpasan na kami ng aming sasakyan. And we don't know how to get home. how many more. Kami ay mga kaanta ang grasa na.
Wow.
And it's okay kids.
Mo ni taong grasa naka-shoes. Look. Shoes.
Murang nag-jogging gikan. Sinusundan na kami ng mga kalaban. At hindi na namin alam kung anong gagawin.
Sila
I'm gonna off this one.
sa mundong ito.
Bye-bye!